Hi, my name is Carlo Doyle. I'm the president of Union Door in San Francisco, and welcome to the Moscone West. I've been the president of Union Door for almost 7 years now, and over the course of that time period, we've done a number of TORXUN QuickFold gate systems. Working with them has been phenomenal. The product is excellent, couldn't be happier. We began looking at the TORXUN QuickFold system when there was an apparent need for a higher cycle system that required little to no headroom. For applications that require no overhead obstruction, the TORXUN FlexArm system is the perfect solution. As you can see, a challenging installation is no problem for a TORXUN QuickFold gate system. TORXUN QuickFold systems don't utilize counterbalance springs, which bring the cost per cycle down considerably lower than that of a conventional roll-up door. Our projects range from simple repairs and replacements to high-end projects that require a certain level of creativity, innovation, and problem solving. I try not to think of myself as a sales guy. I like to think of myself more as a consultant, and I try to help solve problems that the customers have and get creative and innovative and make sure that everyone's happy with the end result. So here at the traffic signal division for San Francisco, they had a problem with a high wind environment, and the existing gates that were here couldn't operate reliably when wind came howling down this corridor. The TORXUN Model 3 operators have had no problems operating under these conditions, and we have been more than happy with the end result. The TORXUN gate systems have proven to be extremely reliable with over 1 million cycles tested. They come pre-assembled with the heavy-duty hinges. They have a whole host of safety equipment, which comes standard. They also have a whole bunch of options like traffic lights and pedestrian gates. If you're interested in any of the products we've discussed today, feel free to contact us at Union Door
or TORXUN.